Hello everyone, welcome to Gilbert Sherbert Paradise. Hello, this is Bako Boat Terminal, the pier, the new pier and the building. The passengers waiting area. So, this building is not yet open, so waiting for our friend to do the blessing for it. So, my friend, what do you think of it? What do you think of this terminal?
Well, it's something new. It's something is very, very important for the tourists that to come in here. Is quite impressive, and they all want.
What about for the local?
The local one is
yeah.
For its location is ideal for the people who live down the river. There's so many small rural village around the river here, so it's a good place to go another place from this station here.
Hello amigo all over the world. This is Mr. Francis. He's going to make a commentary about this building.
No, don't say that.
There is a...
I got too many videos already.
And this is the Bako new terminal house where they start going to Bako.
Thank you for watching the video.
This building hasn't been opened
I hope
yet.
you like it and
I don't know when. Coming
do
soon.
subscribe for
It's still
new
on the way.
videos
So
coming.
let's see what is inside
And
if we are allowed to.
Have a
Okay.
happy day
Let's see
and goodbye.
what's inside.